Hello, I'm Ghazal Javidan. I am pleased to introduce our workshop Decoding the Black Box Post Optimization Analysis for Architectural Design, co hosted by me, my colleague, and the Giraffe team. In the first session, we will provide an overview of meta heuristic optimization, various algorithms, and will focus on genetic algorithms, the most popular meta heuristic, and explore these algorithms in greater detail. Next, we will explore the literature, terms, and expressions related to genetic algorithms. We will truly explain the entire optimization problem leading up to the main concern that the workshop aims to address. A key concern in any optimization problem is that the process focuses on adjusting form and design variable to enhance performance. However, the critical question is how we can effectively monitor and control the evolution of forms itself during the architectural design optimization process. Optimization problems often yield hundreds of solutions. The challenge lays in how to select the optimal solutions that balance both performance and architectural form attributes. Addressing this question, first we need to understand and decode these algorithms to ensure that the optimization process is transparent rather than a black box. So, in the next session, we will conduct an in depth exploration of two most famous genetic algorithms, namely NSGA2 and SPA2. We will unveil the design process and data flow of these algorithms and solve simple optimization problems using two plugins within the Grasshopper, Policy and Biomorpher. By mastering the genetic algorithm optimization and decoding a black box, we are ready to move to the next session, which is data management. In this session, we will introduce Giraffe. Giraffe plugin enables the graphical representation of complex dataset through diverse plot types. This integration facilitates a clear understanding and communication of high dimensional data, enhancing analyzing and decision making in generative design process. In the final session, the Giraffe team will present in depth examples and demonstrate multidisciplinary techniques for advanced statistical analysis and data visualization. Participants will have the opportunity to apply either workshop example or their own optimization problem, enhancing their grasp of genetic algorithm optimization and improving their ability to effectively manage and explore their meta heuristic optimization output data. Thank you for your time and attention. I look forward to seeing you at our workshop soon.